then smaller and smaller yields throughout the summer. Rather than planting the entire row of beans all at once and having feast or famine, we can plant part of the row at the beginning of the season and then plant more in about 2 to 4 weeks. A new crop will continually coming in. As the first plant starts to flag, we can replant that area with beans or use it for a different crops. The best vegetables for succession planting are basil, beans, beets, carrots, green onions, radish, spinach or corn salad. Next we have same crop successive planting. Several smaller plantings are made at timed interval rather than all at once. The plants mature at staggered date, establishing a continuous harvest over an extended period. Lettuce and other salad green are common crops for this approach. Some crops like peas have short growing season and the space they are using can be replanted with a later season crop like eggplants. Next we have two or more crops simultaneously, or we can say two vegetables in same spot. Non-competing crops often with different maturity dates are planted together in various patterns. Intercropping is one pattern approach. Companion planting is a related complementary practice. Often you can see the early season vegetables at the same time you are planting. Intercropping or pairing up plants is an excellent way to squeeze even more productivity from your vegetable garden. Now let us see with same crop with different maturity dates. Several varieties are selected with different maturity dates, early, main season, late, planted at the same time. The varieties mature one after the other over the season. These techniques can be used to design complex, highly productive cropping system. The more involved the plant, the more detailed knowledge is required of the specific varieties and how they perform in a particular growing location. An easy way to keep the harvest coming in is to choose more than one variety of a crop and make them early, mid and late season varieties. Sometimes the seed packets will be labeled as such and sometimes you will just have to read the dates to maturity number. But tomatoes, corn, summer squash and several other vegetables can be staggered throughout the growing season this way. The best vegetables to sow with different maturity dates are beans, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, corn, eggplants, melon, peas, tomatoes, etc. Now let me talk about the list of crops. As you all know that all vegetables have a particular time of year when they are at their peak. Eating according to the season is an important part of a healthy and sustainable diet. It has a host of benefits for our health, environment as well as for local business. Until quite recently, seasonal eating was universal. Without modern technology on transport, we relied on our skills to take advantage of the best growing season for each food and the last through the times of scarcity. Today, the globalized food market also have given us the convenience of being able to buy any food at any time of the year. This has greatly reduced our awareness of the season and the environment at a time